992 Turbo S isn't going anywhere because it's protected with a Halo Mini. So we've got the key here, the vehicle fires up. Good thing in winter is you can start the car, leave it to idle, leave it to warm up inside, and you know it's not going to get driven away because it's locked in park and protected with a Halo Mini. So we're trying to drive it. It's just not going to allow us to select a gear. It remains in park until we pass authorization with a code. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 for the video, receive that flash from the hazards, and it allows us to select a gear and we can drive it. When we turn the vehicle off, it activates more or less straight away. Confirm with 2 flashes, and next time you start the vehicle, you're going to have to go through that code. So we start it, we've got the key here, we're unable to drive the car, even with our foot on the brake, it's just going nowhere. The code 1, 2, 3, 4 is what we have for now. Receive that flash from the hazards and we're good to go. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This Halo Mini allows the customer to choose their own code on the factory buttons of the vehicle between 3 and 21 presses, totally up to them, and has a service mode, like we said, that doesn't expire. Our number's 0208 212 7393, and it's a Halo Mini on a 992 911 Turbo S.